Today guys, pag-uusapan natin what I think should be one of the top 3 na flagship phones for year 2022. And I have here is the vivo X80 Pro. And this one is being co-engineered with Zeiss. And of course, gusto natin pag-usapan kung gaano kaganda ang camera nitong phone na ito. Tara, simulan muna natin with a quick unboxing. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So this box is the vivo X80 Pro and it's co-engineered with Zeiss. And kita natin ang ganda ng kanyang box, no? Very premium looking. Hindi katulad ng mga vivo boxes, no, na talagang puti lang, plain white. This one, medyo binigyan nila ng kunti emphasis ang kanyang box. So pag open, bubungad sa atin ang X80 Pro mismo. So we have here is the cosmic black color with a 12 gigs of RAM and a 256 gig of storage. So, bubuksan muna natin. So, this is how it looks like. Ang kanyang likod is very elegant. Unlike yung iba, isang malaking bilog, tapos medyo makapal, no? This one, medyo pinaganda ni Vivo ang kanyang flagship camera dito sa likod. And the bump is a bit thick, but yung kanyang camera is hindi na nakaprotrude out of this one. For sure, hindi magwawobble to pag nilagay niyo sa table. Yung likod niya is matte finish, so good job on that. And parang gamosa ang feeling ng kanyang likod. And here is the Vivo logo. So we have a metal frame over here. So underneath, we have the loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, ang kanyang SIM tray na pag in-check natin. Kita natin, there's 2 slot over here, SIM 1 and SIM 2, which are 5G capable. On the side, power button, volume rocker, noise cancelling mic on top. On the other side, there are antenna bands over here. Let's just quickly see the other things inside the box. We have a 80 watts na fast charger over here. Free headphones na may kasamang buds. And ang kanyang Type-C na fast charging cable. SIM ejector tool and some user guide. And isang case na medyo semi-leather finish. Sarap hawakan siya. And pag sinalpak natin, ganito yung tsura niya. Okay, no? Ganda. So first things first, I can say na itong phone na ito, mafe-feel mo talaga yung pagka-premium na siya ng flagship na itong phone na ito. And sa likod kita natin yung tatak na Zeiss dito, yung collaboration ni Vivo and Zeiss. And they have been making really good cameras since then. So itong phone na ito is equipped with the latest na Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 na processor and it's co-engineered together with a Vivo V1 na chip inside this one. So this is kind of something new to me. So probably yung processor is more for imaging purpose ang kanyang co-engineering dito. And ang kanyang screen dito is a 6.78-inch na AMOLED display, LTPO3, 1 billion colors ang kanya reproduced, and of course 120 Hz of screen refresh rate, HDR10 plus ang kanyang support, as well as max brightness of 1,500 nits. And ang kanyang glass protection dito is not your usual Corning Gorilla Glass. And it's called the Shot Sensation Up ang kanyang tawag. Probably the same protection but iba lang siguro ang pangalan. And watching videos on this phone is definitely very enjoyable dahil sa ganda ng kanyang screen and sabi nga niya kaya ng 1 billion colors kanya reproduce. As we can see now, watching videos on YouTube, on Netflix, sobrang smooth, ang sobrang nice ang kanyang experience. And dahil na kanyang curved edge ng screen, giving you parang mas malaki ang yung viewing angle dito sa screen na ito. And by the way guys, this phone has a security level of level 1 sa wideband dito sa phone na ito. So meaning, you can watch all of your favorite shows on HD sa Netflix and other online streaming apps. And ang sound quality na itong phone na ito, it has a stereo speaker and ang kanyang loudspeaker is pretty decent, pretty nice. Okay ang kanyang sound for a flagship phone. So, quickly running over some benchmark dito sa phone na ito sa Andito benchmark version 9.4.3. Medyo mataas ang kanyang score, 977,000 points. Ito naman score niya sa Wild and Extreme. So, meaning playing games on this one is definitely a treat. Sa kanyang throttling test, after mga 5 minutes, so kita natin medyo start na siya nag-yellow and nag-red. But unlike other Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 na chip, this one hindi siya tuluyan na mula. And ito naman ang kanyang score pagdating sa Geekbench. Watching videos on your favorite social media, mga reels, is definitely a treat. And of course, scrolling sa mga social media site like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram is definitely smooth. And by the way guys, meron siyang visual enhancement dito na nag-optimize ng color sa video, sa YouTube, and of course, sa Netflix para mas maganda iyong viewing experience dito sa flagship phone na ito. So itong phone na ito has a 4,700 mAh of battery supporting fast charge 80 watts. And I think that this phone can fast charge as fast as 38 minutes as advertised. But tinry natin dito sa ating studio, charging from 10% to 100 to 40 minutes. And halos di naman nagkakalayo sa kanilang advertisement. And it also has a fast wireless charging of up to 50 watts. And it also supports reverse charging. And checking kanyang battery stress test, 12 hours and 59 minutes, well, that's round up 13 hours ang kaya na ibigay sa inyo dito sa phone na ito. Using on a day-to-day basis, I can say kaya naman niya magtagal ng one whole day without any problem on normal usage. Ito phone na ito comes in 3 colors, Cosmic Black, Blue, and Orange. And this phone can be bought sa official store ng Vivo for $59,999 and I'll be posting everything on the description box below. Check nyo lang. And itong phone na ito, I can say really smooth ang kanyang FunTouch OS 12 running inside Android 12. And like I said, this is a octa-core na processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. And it also has a RAM extension of 12 gigs plus 4 gigs of RAM extension. Malaki ang kanyang storage, definitely 256 gig of storage. And again, sinabi ko sa inyo, it is equipped with the vivo V1 Plus na chip. Playing games on this one, well, it's equipped with multi-turbo version 5.5 and ultra gaming mode. So, I can say na ang experience dito is definitely nice. For a flagship phone, walang problema playing Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, and other favorite titles of your maning-mani lang dito sa phone na ito. Experience really nice for a flagship phone. And right now, pag-usapan natin ang camera nito phone na ito. This is probably one of the highlight nito phone na ito. And dito natin papakita sa inyo ang ganda nitong phone na ito, lalo na sa pagdating sa camera. It has a 50MP na main lens with OIS and 8MP na periscope telephoto lens together with a 12MP na telephoto lens as well as 48MP na ultra-wide lens. And of course, pinaka-highlight nito is kanyang Zeiss optics plus ang Zeiss T-lens na coating. And ang kanyang video resolution, it can shoot up to 8K. Front camera nito, 32MP, can shoot up to 4K 30fps. So, tinest natin ang husto tong phone na ito. I was able to use this phone to take outdoor shots and I was really blown away sa kanyang mga quality ng photos. Definitely sa outdoors, I can say mga kanyang mga shots, especially mga bokeh shots, it's pretty nice and pretty creamy. I can say na ang kanyang background is, ang ganda ng kanyang background blur. And for a flagship camera, this is what I expect. And definitely, ang combination between Zeiss and Vivo for this camera is something na yun ang hinahanap-hanap po for a flagship phone. And pagdating naman sa indoor, I can see it was able to perform, of course, without a doubt. So, there are some shots na medyo low light and kaya naman niya i-enhance on its own, making the shots a lot more beautiful and a lot more lively than other phones out there in the market. And this one, I can say na talagang makikita mo talaga yung difference between a mid-range phone and a flagship phone. And pagdating naman sa usapang flagship phone, I can say at least this phone should be in the top 3 ng flagship camera for 2022. Taking some food shots, I can say na mukhang mas masarap ang pagkain using this phone. Pagdating naman sa low light shot, I can say litaw na litaw pa rin kanyang definition, lalo na sa details sa likod, yung mga RGB lightings. Sobrang ganda. Pagdating naman sa selfie camera, low light, outdoors, lahat walang problema. Mapapa-selfie ka talaga dito sa camera niya dahil sa ganda ng reproduction ng colors dito sa phone na ito. Now, did you know guys that itong phone na ito, I was able to record 2 full videos using this phone. And I was really amazed, lalo na sa pagdating sa low light na video. It was able to perform, lalo na rin ang kanyang selfie camera. As compared sa other flagship, ang ganda ng kanyang selfie camera dahil sa kanyang capability to record at low light condition, making it looks like parang normal lang. Kung ganito kaganda ang phone, who needs a DSLR? Kayang-kaya nito mag-vlog anytime, anywhere. Basta bitbit nyo lang itong phone na ito, anytime, makakapaggawa kayo ng content creating using this phone. And so guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click nyo na rin yung bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads like this one here on my channel. And this is the vivo X80 Pro. And I believe that this phone should be one of the top 3 for this year, 2022. And you should really consider this phone, especially when you love photography and you want video on the go. Kayang-kaya na itong phone na ito. Anytime ilabas mo lang phone na ito, ready na siya mag-shoot. And so guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click mo na rin yung bell icon para hindi na miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako Mal si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?